In 2025, you're still struggling with your makeup. Why? Because you're not practicing. Pick up those makeup and let's do this together. It's going to be by fire, by thunder, by force. First step, you need your makeup to be on a clean canvas, right? So use your micellar water and wipes to clean the face properly. Once it's dried down, next is moisturizer. For primer, I'm using illegal primer. Next up is foundation. I'm using Avoine in the shade 20. For contour, I'm using a darker shade of Avoine in the shade 35. Next is blush. You go in with your concealer. I'm using two shades. You see how I apply it now. The lighter one, I'll apply at the beginning of my eyes. Why the one that is darker, I will apply to lift my eye. Don't forget to spray your concealer before you blend. Okay? Now set in the cream product before you move into powder products. Once you've dried the setting spray, listen, don't just go in with setting of your face. No. Use that your beauty blender to push in those products properly before you go in to set your face. Okay? Push the product into the skin. Next is setting of the face. For setting, you are pressing into the skin, right? Next is setting my entire face with a powder that is close to my shade or my shade. Next, you contour your forehead. You do powder contour. Next, blush. Next is baking. For your eyebrows, use your gel wax to put it in place. Set it. Did my brows off camera. Now is to conceal the eyebrow. After my eyebrows, next is my eyeshadow. So I'm using this concealer as my eyeshadow base. Or for my eyeshadow base, please. Blending brush for blending. Next is my nose contour. I'm using a powder for it with a fluffy brush. For the eyeshadow, I'm going with a darker I have this lash extension on and it's already plain, so there's no need of me putting lashes. I'll go in by finding my lips. I'll use a powder, lots of excess powder on my face. And spread the entire face and allow it to dry. Lastly, go in just with highlighter. Guys, this is the final look we achieved. Look, the makeup ate and left no crumbs.